Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Trixie from Fairly OddParents on Draw to Impress. So removing everything except for the hair. You don't need VIP for this, and also it's pretty simple to do. Select this hair and then select only bangs, no adjustments made, and then select the straight hair that I have here and no adjustments too, and color it in black. Select this headband and color it in this color ED99F. First toggle. Position the Y at 0.44, rotate the X to 0.6, and scale it down to 0.41. And the rest of the outfit is actually pretty simple to do. You're just going to select this top here in the relaxed toggle in the same purple color as the headband. Then we're going to select this skirt here in the high toggle in white. Lastly, just grab the boots here and color in white, and that's pretty much how you can create Trixie from Fairly OddParents. Super simple for like TV show themes and whatnot, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!